Is cash out option available in Veve yet? How does that affect the market? And is there any way we can take advantage of this situation? In this video, we'll analyze and break down all these questions and their answers to see if we can apply what we know when we are investing to be able to maximize our profit. Make sure you won't miss out on any information that we're going to talk about in this video, since it's going to help you become a better investor. Hello everyone, my name is Ali. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk about the best innovative ways to invest. If you are enjoying the content, please hit that like and subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss out on the best investment opportunities and you get in early in some new exciting projects. It's also the best way to support the channel so I can keep making new videos for you and give you the lowdown on the newest investments that nobody's talking about. Now let's get right into the video. There are two main types of users on Veve. Some are collectors and some are investors. People who are collectors generally like collecting NFTs for different reasons. It might be because they really like a piece of art or they are a big fan of a brand. They don't necessarily have to collect NFTs to be called collectors. There are car collectors, coin collectors, Pokemon card collectors, baseball card collectors, and so many more different types of collectors out there. People mostly collect to be able to own things, and they don't necessarily want to make money from their hobby. But investors want to make profit, and in order to do that, they have to have a lot more information and knowledge to be able to take advantage of the market movements and maximize their profit, which is a goal of our channel to help you with that. As an investor, you need to make sure you do a ton of research to know about where you want to put your money. It's your responsibility to know what you can gain from your investment and what the possible risks or downsides are. For you to know why you should even consider investing in Veve, be sure to watch this video where I talk about how I turned $3,000 into $13,000 in only 2 weeks by holding on to a single NFT. Veve is overall a good company in my opinion, and that's why I decided to put my money into its NFTs in the first place. But that doesn't mean that a company has everything sorted from the beginning and there are always some bumps along the way. However, it's necessary for you to know what they are and how big of a challenge they could be for the company's success. And that will allow you to assess and compare it to the company's strengths and finally be able to see if the company is worthy of your support or not. Now let's talk about cashing out. The simple answer is no. Veve doesn't have the cash out option yet. Not only it doesn't help the company or the users, but also it stops a lot of whales and users from joining the app and wanting to buy the NFTs. And as a side note, whales are people with a lot of capital and cash ready to spend on NFTs or any other asset, and they can move the prices because of the significant amount of money that they have. Having whales or people who are willing to invest their money in your company or project is very beneficial since it creates a great support and demand which could drive the prices higher. So at the moment, the Veve community is not as big as it could be if there was a cash out option. However, it's good to clarify that having the cash out option is not something easy to do. There's so many factors that need to be done correctly if people want to take their profit out in form of cash. And if anything goes wrong, the company is responsible and no company would want that. But how close are we to accessing the cash out option? Veve said that they want it to be available for most countries and not just the US, and that makes the process of implementing the cash out take a little bit longer. The team has confirmed that they're going to bring this option for people for a while, and they're updating us a couple of times a month on how the process is going and what stage are they in now. From the latest updates, we've been told that MTL, or Money Transmitter Licensing, or what we know as the ability to cash out, is in the beta phase. And that means that there are users that have been picked randomly and they're already cashing out. They have to stay in touch with the company to let them know if there are any issues so they can get fixed before it's available to the public. So I think we should be able to take money out in a few months from now based on where they are in their testing stage. But how does that affect the prices and what can we do to take advantage of this situation? Well, when people can't take their money out, there is less incentive for them to invest in the first place. Whenever someone asks me if they can cash out from Veve or not, and I say not yet, instantly they lose interest. And it's normal. We all would want to take at least some money out, and most people want immediate returns. Of course, as investors, it's a principle of investing to at least be able to get your money back. Otherwise, there is no point in investing at all. However, let's take a look at it from a different perspective. The fact that there are a lot of people who haven't gotten into Veve yet because of the cash out system means that the demand is lower now. It's like you're buying the NFTs at a discount compared to when the MTL will be here. So right now might not be a bad time for you to invest, since we know that once the cash out system is here, the prices are going to increase. But this is only one factor, and you can't really decide only by considering this one, since you have to take a look at the whole picture to be able to take the best and safest decision to be able to maximize your profit. Taking all of this into consideration, the rise in demand and prices would happen once the cash out option is here. We've been told that we're close to having MTL, but at the end of the day, it's your choice to see if you believe in the company, trust the team behind it on what they say, which could bring you a large profit and put you in the forefront of something new. It's always good to do your research and go beyond the surface level when you're jumping into investment projects. Even when the market is not performing well and everybody's complaining, there are a lot of chances for you to make money. In fact, when people are complaining and the prices are down, it's usually a good time to consider buying, since as the market recovers, you'll be able to take full advantage of the situation. As the great Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. That's all for today's video. As always, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel, turn the notifications on, and write your comments, as I love interacting with you guys in the comment section, and let me know if you have any questions or recommendations for my future videos. Thanks for taking your time to watch the video until the end. Have a great rest of your day. See you next time. Peace.